Gold is a precious metal that has been formed over billions of years, hidden deep within the Earth's crust. Unlike other common elements, gold doesn't just form on the surface. It's the result of extreme geological forces, making it rare and difficult to find. Understanding the processes behind the formation of gold helps you grasp why gold is such a valuable commodity today. Gold forms in two primary ways: through volcanic and tectonic activity deep within the Earth, and through secondary processes like erosion, which concentrate gold in accessible locations. This section will break down these processes in a simple way that anyone can follow, regardless of prior knowledge. Gold is often found in hydrothermal veins, which are like the Earth's natural gold factories. Here's how this process works. Deep within the Earth, water, heated by volcanic activity, begins to move through cracks in the rock. This water isn't just hot, it's also packed with dissolved minerals, including gold. As this hot mineral-rich water rises closer to the Earth's surface, it cools down. When this happens, the dissolved gold starts to crystallize and deposit in the cracks and fractures of the surrounding rock. These gold deposits form veins that can stretch for miles underground, waiting to be discovered by geologists and miners. Key takeaway: hydrothermal deposits form in areas that were once volcanically active or near tectonic plate boundaries. Knowing this can help you understand why certain regions of the world are known for gold production, such as parts of Arizona, Nevada, or California. Now let's move to a different type of gold deposit, the kind that you might have heard about from old gold rush stories: placer gold deposits. These are where gold is found not deep in rock but near the surface, usually in rivers, streams, or other places where water flows. Placer deposits are formed when gold is eroded from its original source, such as a hydrothermal vein, and carried downstream by water. Over time, the heavy gold particles settle in areas where the water slows down, like in river bends, on the inside of curves, or along gravel bars. Why this matters to you? If you're looking for an accessible place to start prospecting, placer deposits are often the easiest for beginners to explore. Many famous gold rushes were sparked by the discovery of placer gold because it's relatively easy to pan or sluice these deposits. Key locations: placer deposits can be found in historical mining regions, often in riverbeds, dried stream beds, or areas with alluvial sediment. Key takeaway: placer gold is often visible to the naked eye and can be easily collected with simple tools like a gold pan or sluice box. This makes it one of the best ways for beginners to start their journey into gold ownership and exploration. As someone who is starting to explore the various ways to own gold and silver, it's important to understand that the rarity and geological formation of gold contribute to its lasting value. Unlike paper money, which can be printed at will, gold has to be found, extracted, and processed, a much more complicated and expensive process. This is one of the reasons why gold has been considered a store of value for thousands of years and remains a key component of any diversified investment strategy. By understanding how gold forms and where it can be found, you are not only learning about the science behind this precious metal, but also gaining insight into why its scarcity makes it such a powerful asset in times of economic uncertainty. The formation of gold is a process shaped by the Earth over millions of years. Whether locked deep within hydrothermal veins or scattered through riverbeds and placer deposits, gold's rarity and the difficulty of finding it are what make it valuable. By understanding how and where gold is formed, you are taking the first steps toward grasping the value of owning gold as part of a larger investment strategy. This first section offers a foundational understanding of the science behind gold formation while tying it into its importance for someone just getting into gold and silver ownership.